Just a couple of days ago, I had the great honor of meeting James Deacon, CNN Philippines TV host and motorist advocate. Yeah, I just made that up right now. Okay, and he was telling me about his advocacy, which is to have it mandated by the government to have every vehicle in the Philippines installed with a dashboard cam. So after talking to him further about it, I realized the importance of this, and so I am now with, of course, the marketing head of Blade Auto Center Philippines. Okay, and what makes this dashboard cam different from other cameras?
Well, it's a Polaroid dashcam, and as we all know, Polaroid is a camera company. They produce those cameras that print out pictures, and right now they have this dash camera line. And what's good about it is that they adapted their technology here, so it's backed by years and years of research. And at the same time, if you bought it from Blade, we install it for free. Actually,
other people, when you buy a dashboard cam, you have to buy the SD card separately.
Yes.
But with you guys, it's free.
It's free.
Oh, okay, that's really wonderful. So if I were to get in an accident, or let's say I just wanted to record something fun we did on the trip, then I just remove the SD card and then
save the video.
Yeah, download it onto my computer, and so I have evidence. Okay.
So as you can see, we are done. There's no wiring anywhere except for this little wire here at the top, which you will barely even notice. And that took a total of like 10 minutes while we were talking. After we finished talking, then after that, the car was installed already. So perfect.
So, well, I wish you all the best on your advocacy. The reason why I'm doing this video is to help you in this advocacy, and hopefully it will create a greater awareness here in the Philippines that at 4,000 all the way to 12,000 pesos, you can, just have a little peace of mind knowing that everything is documented.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Albert.
Thank you.
I'm excited. Let's test it out. James, you're the best. I really appreciate it. I owe you dinner.